How to make money if you're a teenager. Usually, you're not allowed to work, and if you are, you either can't work full hours or some places just won't hire you. So today, I want to talk about the options for teenagers and some places that you can apply for a job where they will most likely hire you. Also, before I talk about the job options, a very quick reminder here, if you are new to this channel and you're watching one of my videos for the very first time, my name is Ian, and I post videos here on YouTube every single day on topics relating to making money and personal finance. So if you'd like to see more of these videos, give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to this channel and turning on all the notifications. And that way you'll be able to get the updates every day when I post new videos here. Now, the first job is actually a very popular one, and this is working in fast food. And the good thing about working at a fast food restaurant is that they usually always need to hire people, and they'll usually hire you if you're at least 15 years old. Now, sometimes even younger, depending on where it is, but this is the first job option you have. Now, if you're watching this video and you're thinking that you don't want to do this job because maybe you don't want people you know seeing you at the drive-through window or somewhere else because you may feel embarrassed, well, I can tell you that it's nothing to be embarrassed about because you get paid. The entire point was that you get a job and you make money. So if I need a job and McDonald's was hiring, I'd be there on time every day to work and get paid. So don't be ashamed of this. Now, another plus here is that these jobs will pay you very well for being a teen. The average pay at McDonald's, for example, is about $9 an hour. And so if you're 14 years old and you just want to make some money so you can buy the stuff you want, then $9 isn't really that bad. If you work here for a month, you'll be able to save enough money to purchase anything you need because you don't pay rent and bills, and so you can actually save your entire paycheck every single week. In a full month, you'll be able to make around $1,400, and this is one of the easiest jobs you'll ever find as a teen. Now, the second job that you can get as a teen, and maybe this one will be part-time where you can only do maybe 20 hours per week, but you can actually work in a supermarket. This job can range from customer support to packing shelves to being a cashier, working at checkout, and just about anything in the store. Now, again, this is nothing to be embarrassed about because you're making money. Anyone that laughs at you can keep laughing because it doesn't matter, right? You get paid and they laugh, so what? You get what you want either way. Now, these jobs also pay around $7 to $9 per hour. So just like the fast food job, you could be making around $1,400 a month by doing this. And if you only work here for a month, you should have enough money as a teen to be able to purchase whatever it is that you want that your parents probably don't want to give you the money to purchase. So for example, if you need a new PlayStation 5 and they won't pay for it, then you could potentially work part-time or even full-time in the summer or something like that, and then be able to pay for it, or at least pay for a significant portion of it yourself. Now, the third way to make money as a teen is by doing some random jobs. This could be mowing lawns, washing cars, and you don't have to really go anywhere to do this. This can be done in your neighborhood. Now, I know as an adult, people may say that they would never touch anything on someone else's property unless they had a business and insurance because they fear that they may get sued for something. And this is true, but as a 15-year-old, I don't think if you mess your neighbor's lawn up, they would actually sue you or even try to do it. If you showed up to my door and said, hey man, I'm trying to make some money to buy a PS5 and I want to take care of your lawn for $50 and you messed up a part of it, then sure, I may be unhappy, I may get mad, I may be upset, but I wouldn't try to sue you as a teenager or your parents for doing that. Now, some people may do this, so if you have neighbors who are grumpy and you know they don't like you or they aren't particularly fond of you, then I wouldn't go trying to do anything for them. But if you have other neighbors who are friendly or maybe they're even friends with your parents, then that's probably where you want to start. So again, if you showed up to my door and you said, hey man, I live next door and I'm trying to buy a PS5 and I'm only 15 years old, but I'll wash your cars for $100, then I probably would pay you to do it. And if you washed half my car, which wasn't the deal, then I may get mad and I may demand my money back, but I won't try to sue you or to call the cops on you. And if anyone does that to a 15-year-old or a teenager, then they're just, that word that I can't say on YouTube. But this is actually something that you can do to make money as a teen. And I actually did this when I was a teen, and I remember messing up someone's lawn. I remember making one side of their driveway lower than the other when I cut the grass, and of course they weren't happy. I think I was about 14 at the time, but I told them that I wouldn't charge them, and they weren't happy about it, but they never got mad to the point where they tried to sue me. And I actually went back in 2 weeks, and this lady allowed me to do the job again. And that time I made sure I got it right. Now, other jobs that could fall into this category would be pet sitting or dog walking, which pays really well, and delivering food and pizza if you're at least 18 years old and you have a bike or a car. Now, if you want to make money online as a teen, then you should think about selling stuff you have that you don't want anymore. So for example, if you want the new PS5 and you have a PS4, then when you get the PS5, you won't need the 4 anymore, and so you could just sell the PS4 right now and get some cash. Now, you probably can't do this on your own because you're not old enough, but you can get an older sibling or your parents to list your game or whatever you have on eBay, for example, and then you can create the listing and do all the work, and they'll just actually do the sale, and then they'll hand you the money when it's all over. That's where I would start. Now, if you really want to make some serious money online as a teen, then you can start a blog. You can start a blog about anything you want. If you like candy, then you can start a blog about candy, and you can post every single day about candy and everything related to candy. And you may not be able to set this up entirely by yourself, but you can do the work and blogging by yourself. So for example, to get your own website and blog registered, you may have to ask your parents to do it for you since you're not an adult, but then you can talk about candy. You can use candy affiliate programs to generate income. And here you don't really have a limit on how much money you can make from this blog. Whenever the blog makes money, your parents get paid and then they'll hand the money over to you. Now, finally, the last method of making money as a teen is by doing this: starting a YouTube channel. Now, I don't think there's any age restrictions to starting YouTube or a YouTube channel, because if you have a Google account, then you can have a YouTube channel. But if there is some age restrictions, I'm sure as a teen, you'll be old enough. So you can vlog about anything here. Maybe you can vlog about homework. Maybe you can vlog about candy. Maybe you can vlog about your pets. Maybe you can start a vlog about what jobs you did in the summer to make money. You can do all the work, but you just won't be able to apply for monetization on your channel. And so you can again have your parents do this part and use their accounts to get paid. And then when your ad revenue comes in, they can give that money to you. And I think I've seen videos here on YouTube of teenagers sharing their experiences on how they're able to, with the help of their parents, of course, start a YouTube channel and make money online when they're only 15 or 16 years old. So this is an easy way to make money, and I think you should ask your parents and try this method. Now, of course, there are maybe 100 more things that you can do as a teen to make money online or offline. So I'll be leaving a link below to a resource that has over 50 ideas that you can use to make money online or offline if you're a teen and you have a problem with getting a regular job. Now, comment below and let me know what you're trying to do or what you've already done to make money as a teen. As always, thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like the content, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and that way you'll be able to get the updates every day when I post new videos. Remember to check the links down below for free and helpful stuff, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.